Yeah, man. What you say? Tomorrow Sunday, you coming to work tomorrow?
Not a bumper clot.
Not a...
Gonna work that Sunday. That Sunday. Drunk gonna work on Sunday. Yeah.
Not a bumbo clock.
Not a bumper clot. Get up. You see clot?
Bumbo clock.
No, it's a blood clot. No, sir. No, sir.
You see all of the vampire who a creep up and a crawl up in the dark to come feed for me energy, it now go bumbo clock work. Cause me see you from far, in the distance me see you now come. So me fully prepare for the bumbo clock. Yeah man, me have my stake in hand, fully sharpened, to shove it in a bumbo clock heart and turn uno in a dust. Yeah man, so it now go work out. I better uno hold in the space and hold in the corner. Yeah man, but you see some of uno, me just give you one long blood clot rope, make you end your bumbo clot self with it.
What knife too dangerous?
Yeah, man, you have to have something dangerous to kill them, man. You look at me now walk with my gun. 44 blood clot magnum, a dirty area. What a blood clot do, no? Come on, I was some fire tell you I cannot take. Boxing my blood clot, man. Stop your mother, batty boy. How am there?
So you have gun?
Me can't get gun. You can't hire a gun anyway, you know. But I never walk with them. I'm tangle, I'm tangle, them bomber ass clap. Them say fish about them. Them a fish gun there, them a fish gun.
Oh, you never show me
We
that
shoot
yet.
them in them heart with blood clot, go dirty nigga arms out. We don't go up with your bomber clot disease. Come on. And that's irritate man, bomber clot, man.
My lad, just give me 200,000. I try you still, you know. Blood clot. Pops why you about vex me now in the car. Pops why you go say, oh, him give me 10,000 US, I'm take $2,000. I'm take 200,000 for your for ring. Boy, about that true your blood clot, good you tell me lad, but you don't know yourself in the blood. If you don't know yourself in the that's a. Car 200,000 pops why you about vex me now.
You have no thing go.
My lad, just tell Pops say, say sorry about what the fuck you're going to call
No,
today,
man,
man.
apologize. No, man, I apologize to no boy, man. What you do, man? What you do, man? You can't apologize to boss boy. What you do? What you do, LA? Can I apologize? You can apologize. If boy you call me transgender, dog, if you look for a man like me, we get 7 son with 7 different baby mother. And I come talk about me look like transgender. And you are over there play a match with, we pretty than them. And you come talk about me look like transgender after me and Blinger. Then me I tell Blinger say me want some front for Blinger and Blinger invite upon live. You run come and try this me now. And Blinger tell us say yo, done. You having wife and you you have a talk.
So, but hold on, but you gotta look the man, girl. So, you never know, so Pops a clap blinger. You never know that?
We never know that.
Then I look at the man, girl, my lad, so the man must get mad for you.
Think you make me talk.
So, my lad, you bet me and everybody knows that Pops a clap blinger. Oh, you never know that?
Never know.
Yeah, man, a Pops a clap blinger. Then the blood clad new thing, where some blinger get the Pops priority. I mean, the Pops will get a car for that, no? There's some blinger have a little car for body.
Oh, girl feelings. Why?
Then the girl feelings, my lad. Yeah, look the man, girl, my lad. So the man must have a cuss you. The man why you say all your brother?
That's why I'm gonna fuck it then. Cause Blinger well want give me pussy.
My lad, me tell you now, Lord the man, girl.
Nah man, me a fuck it man.
My lad.
That
You
man,
want to
me
blood
agree
clan
with you.
Naya, me buy no. I choose Naya fuck Sharika, you know. My boy them go kill Naya, you know. And then want set up crush bread them, you know.
No,
So
them
me
boy
tell you,
can't
my lad,
kill me, I fuck
Lord,
with that one.
my lad, girl, too much. One thing in Jamaica and America, my lad, girl outnumber man.
But Blinger deserve to get fucked. A long time Blinger want me fuck her.
Blinger, if Blinger the wire fuck her, Blinger don't come get a pussy long time. I mean, she might not like you.
That Blinger thing, brother. Cause let me tell you, I'm a queenie up her. Show me a queenie up her already. So me just bench Blinger. But now that man a pre me for Blinger now, me have to go knock it, dog. Sorry, Pops YG, but me a fuck it.
My lad, you see you're deaf, you know. Lord the man, girl.
Yo, me I fuck the man, girl, LA Louis. I mean, Lord the man, girl. The man I done style me on the media already and this me.
My lad.
Can't
remember,
diss me for nothing.
people remember more on him, you know.
Yeah, fuck
People
him, man.
remember more on him. Alright, cast me the one. Lord the man, girl.
really
Girl
big
too
man.
much. My lad. Thanks for that, my lad. At the bad. My lad. Lord the man, girl too much in Jamaica. Girl, me say, my lad. If you want a girl, my lad, go to Japan. They
Nah,
pay,
man.
they pay a man over. Oh, they listen me. Look at China girl, them hold tight, my lad. They call it manko. The girl a manko type, my lad. Go China, go Japan right now, and you get free house, free everything. You can go fuck 20 girl and breed them. Cause the population is dead out. I run come back and carry 2 of them come back a yard. Lord the man, girl.
Alright. Alright, me make that one a slide.
Yeah, Lord bling alone. A pop so IG beat that.
Dog, me a fuck it, dog. That's why me a go fuck it, dog. Man, this me, dog. You can't...
People say boy are deaf. Him
Me
deaf,
a
you know.
fuck it, dog. Me call Bling alright.
My lad, first up part rapper carpet on the idiot to my lad. Look at
Bling a forget a fuck my out. Bling a want to
yes,
fuck
yo.
my out. Bling a will want to
Oh, Crushbird family kill Naya. So Crushbird family kill Naya. Alright, you go.
Me come have a fuck pussy and
You want for that one day? You want that too early there?
Me have a fuck boy girl like. Cause boy come at this man Paul. Me call Bling.
Remember the people who want him, you know? Pops why Joe Clat him, you know? Why Joe Clat him, you know? You can't say me no want him, you know? Call Blinger, yeah, call no Blinger.
Hold on, me a make Blinger come on live. Me tell her to go live. Blood clot. Me a fuck Blinger. Since as me respect Blinger as a big woman and say me a love a big woman them now. Cause I focus on me youth them. But for you say a man, girl, and the man come diss me, I can't girl feelings, I can't girl feelings, man. Me a fuck it. And nothing can tap me for a fuck it, LA Louis. Not even you. He might kill me before me fuck it. I might try to get rid of me before. I might try to get rid of me now, like today. I mean, not that. Bling on my case go live, and me all the blood up, bling up on this blood clot. And show Pops YG say. In girl, we get fuck. No blood clot though.
My lad, nobody put a bling over here so YG go feel like some supporter with the fucker the way you're talking.
So you afraid of man? You afraid of man?
Oh, Pops YG not afraid of nobody, my lad. There's a two gathering, my lad.
Me a fucking girl, cause him style me. And that's how me do. Once a man style me, me fucking girl.
Turn around,
that.
bling and now go get a matter of fact, girl blood clot can't tape, so I can't say she will not get the pussy, cause them women nowadays, no matter where you give them blood clot girl, I eat that nowadays. Come here, come on, man, take care of them.
Good and good. Me a go fuck the man, girl, yeah, catch up with
so what I know, me not go underestimate and say nah go fuck her, cause them girl nowadays are duns. You understand? Most of them girl nowadays are duns. When you take care of them good and them still go fuck for you, so me can't tell us you not go fuck Blinger, but me say Lord the man girl.
Yeah, fuck it, LA Louis. Man, this me that.
Remember say Blinger no look good now, Blinger hot girl, you know. So I don't like Blinger normal girl, so Pops love it.
Get fucked now.
People tap up the screen at 40,000, my God, I'm there nearly an hour. And that's something say, you know, so I'm going to lock up the program because if you like this, you know.
So come for that 29,000. People on top of the screen, man, we not get free entertainment. But the bumbo clown on the top of the screen.
A reality show these people, nothing for them showing the fake. Rapper crap, I want the woman man for 2 people.
Me a fuck Pops YG, girl, just know that. That part that me a talk about. Me don't know where you come talk about, but...
My lord, bet you go England and make rapper crap. No, rapper crap can't get a girl in England, because rapper crap down a girl. My lord, they need to go blood clot and rapper crap for breed something.